Tonight, charges for a deputy and a suspect who's seen here on fire at an Orlando gas station.
He picked up the discarded taser that was located in gas and says, "You're about to get tased, dude." Immediately after that statement, with the taser in his hand, the fire ignites.
Surveillance video showing 26-year-old Gian Barreto covered in flames. His attorneys, who provided the video from Wawa to NBC, say he was cooked alive.
We're not saying anything other than let's get the truth out, and it's not out.
Blue dirt bike, male doing wheelies.
Osceola County Sheriff Marco Lopez saying the February 27th incident started when 911 callers reported two men were driving dirt bikes aggressively and flashing guns at other drivers. A law enforcement helicopter followed, and it was at the Wawa gas station that deputies caught up with Barreto, whose bike they say matched the description of one of the suspects.
This is horrible, but you know what? What else do you do? It's the law. People call and complain. You got to go after these guys. You got to put a stop to it. It's bad behavior.
The sheriff saying Barreto was refueling when deputies confronted him. The gas cap was off and fuel started leaking. That's when the sheriff says Deputy Crawford fired a taser at Barreto and the gasoline ignited, setting Barreto and three deputies on fire. The case report cites the Bureau of Fire, Arson, and Explosives investigation, saying the taser was the probable cause of the inferno. Barreto's attorneys saying he had third-degree burns covering 75% of his body. Sheriff Lopez says deputies immediately got a fire extinguisher to put out those flames, and other deputies, including Crawford, suffered severe burns as well. Barreto now charged with 2 felonies, fleeing the police, and a third wheelie offense, plus reckless driving. The sheriff also announcing Deputy Crawford will be charged with culpable negligence, a misdemeanor. Sheriff Lopez says he has faith in his department. Barreto's lawyers say after 10 weeks in the hospital, he continues to fight for his life and will soon be placed in a medically induced coma.
All right, that video and those photos are just horrific. Steve Romo joins us now. So, Stephen, I got a question for you. You know, we don't know the protocol yet, but you'd think you probably shouldn't use a taser around, gasoline. This thing happened in February. Why are we getting answers so much later?
Yeah, the sheriff was saying today it just took a long time to get all the details together. For example, they weren't able to recover a gun from that situation. We do know the attorney for Barreto have called for an independent investigation. So far, the sheriff is saying that his department can handle it. Meanwhile, we tried to reach the attorneys again after the word of these charges have come out. We have not yet heard back from them. We also tried to reach out to Deputy Crawford, and our attempts to reach him have been unsuccessful so far. But a lot of questions remain about the decision making and what's going to happen next.
Thank you so much.